everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. So I'm going to use pieces from Vicki Boutin today. I think they are all from Color Study. Yep, it is. They're all from her Color Study collection. So I have that really cool acidy green paper, which is from the 12 by 12 pad, and actually all of the papers that I'm using here, including that pink one, and then that really cool floral piece, kind of a rainbow ombre, kind of almost. Not, I guess not really ombre, but sort of a rainbow. That is all from that Color Study 12 by 12 pad. And I love that background paper, so I really wanted to be able to showcase it, and I think this does it really, really well. So I've added my two photos. Those are my photos. Those are photos of my Kindle, and I bought that last summer. I started doing reviews for NetGalley, which is a website where you can review books, and they send them to you really as electronic files. So you have to read them on some sort of device. I was doing it on my iPad, and it started to bother my wrist after a while if I would read for a long time, because that's really heavy compared to the Kindle. Plus it was harder to, like, I could just throw this in my handbag and it's so light. My iPad definitely is much heavier than that. So anyway, I am going to called this layout the dark side, and you'll see I do pull that into the title, but I called it that because I've been a paper reader for a long time, and on occasion when I couldn't get a hold of a book or when I got it from the library, I would, especially when I got it from the library during our lockdown 2 years ago, or 3 years, yeah, almost 3 years ago now. Anyway, I started reading a little bit more on my iPad, and I called it going over the dark side. So anyway, I have some die cuts here, and the Yes Please die cut there is from the Vicki Boutin Color Study. It's the embellishments with the gold accents to them. All the other embellishments that you're going to see here are from the other die cut pack, which is just embellishments. It's called, she has two die cut packs with these. So I'm just adding in, Yes Please, so excited. And then just some florals, just because I'm a girl and I like them. More importantly, I like them. I am not above using flowers on boy layouts. I have done it before with my grandsons more than once. I'm not like that. Happy to do it. Added in that little pencil there. It says making your world more colorful, which I really like that kind of sentiment, that it's enhancing my world, even though it's not really in color. It's all in black and white, which is kind of ironic. I just added that chipboard piece that says love, love, love this. It looks like it's attached with washi. That is from American Crafts, all the happiness stickers, which are the stickers for this collection. So just kind of trying to figure out how to add something up there on top. I want to soften up that chipboard piece and then also get some color. So there's the thickers, and there's some flowers in there that are going to go really well with the flowers, the larger flowers that I put on there. So I'm going to add one of those into each of the other clusters as well. So liking how that looks. And realize that I don't have this glued down. So I probably need to do that because all this stuff is starting to move. So I have quite a few of those books on there at that point, are things that I have read already. Like for my book club, one of my friends likes to read kind of steamy romance books, and I don't ever really want to buy them. We can get them much. She always is kind of sensitive to that. We may not want to buy them, so she'll do stuff from Kindle where we can buy them for like $4 or $5, which is kind of nice. So I have a lot of those on there. And then The Secret Garden, which that's nice. I also, by the way, there's a book on there called The Venice Sketchbook. I'm not sure if you can read that or not, but if you can get a hold of that, it's amazing. If you've been to Italy, you'll truly appreciate it. If you haven't, I think you might appreciate it as well, because it makes you feel like you're in Italy. So there's a book recommendation for you along with all the rest of this as I'm scrapbooking away. I do have these little flowers, and I can't remember where those came from off the top of my head. I'm just looking to see if I can find them quickly. I don't think they're Ellie's Studio. I think they were like Shadney, or I think they're from Colorcast Designs, actually, now that I think about it. But anyway, I ended up not using those. Spoiler. But since you saw me drop them out, I wanted to mention those. I'm using these they're gold holographic stars, which are really awesome. So I'm going to add 3 of them into each of my clusters here, just to get a little bit of something else in here. All right, so did you see me just point to above so excited? So that's where I'm thinking my title needs to go. My title is not going to be so excited. It is going to be, I was thinking about the dark side, but it's not wide enough to do that with these particular letter stickers. So I'm just going to call it Dark Side. Those are, and I didn't write it down. So they're from my little, hold on a second, my little, it's MLS. My Little Shoebox. There we go. And these are the mini alphas in celery. I love that color. I would be sad someday when I use these up, which, I've probably had them for at least 5 years, so that's probably quite a long time from now. I have an alpha problem, in case you guys haven't noticed that. They keep growing out of my basket, and then I have to go back and look and see what I need to dispose of or send to my grandkids. All right, so now I have the Dark Side title on there, and I am all done. Here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.